Many of us are of the opinion that keeping foods in fridge keeps them fresher for longer. Unfortunately, this is not true for all foodstuffs, and you may be storing your food in the wrong place. Not everything belongs in the fridge. Here are 10 foodstuffs that you should avoid keeping in the refrigerator and why. 1. Potatoes. Potatoes ought to, in a perfect world, be put away in paper sacks or net packs in a cool, dry spot, for example, inside your kitchen. Putting away potatoes in the fridge transforms the starch into sugar, making your potato be sweet, dirty, and will stain once cooked. Try not to wash before putting away, as the clamminess will quicken waste. 2. Onions. Onions ought not be put away in the cooler, as the dampness will mellow them and cause them to get soft. Store them in a dry, all-around ventilated zone and ensure it is dim to abstain from growing. 3. Tomatoes. Putting away tomatoes in the cooler harms the layer inside the tomato, which at that point adjusts the taste and flavor. Refrigerated tomatoes taste somewhat watery and unripe. Keep them in a bowl or container on the counter. They will mature and build their flavor. 4. Garlic. Garlic ought to be put away in a cool and dry spot. Placing them in the fridge will make them grow and turn rubbery. 5. Bread. Bread is a typical staple that is wrongly put away in the fridge. Keeping bread in the fridge makes it intense and chewy. This additionally quickens its procedure to go stale because of the clammy and cold temperature. 6. Honey. Keeping honey in the refrigerator will make it solidify, leaving it grainy and knotty. Honey remains crisp and smooth when put away outside. Ensure that it is firmly fixed. 7. Avocados. Keep your avocados in open, darker packs and outside the fridge. Placing them in the fridge thwarts their maturing procedure. Putting away avocados close to bananas will quicken their maturing procedure. 8. Bananas. If you have bought bananas that still need to ripen, you should not put them in the fridge. The cold temperatures will turn them mushy and black, as they do not have a natural defense in the cold. However, ripe bananas are safe to keep in the fridge. 9. Melons. Keeping your whole melons in the fridge can chillingly affect them, which in turn influences their dietary benefit. Melons are best kept on the natural product rack. You can anyway envelop cut bits of melon by stick film and refrigerate. 10. Olive oil. Keeping olive oil in the cooler will make it gather and transform into a hard, spread-like consistency. Like different oils, olive oil ought to be put away in a cool and dim spot.